Hello, everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our first official unboxing video. We are opening a big pile. We each have 8 packages here of unclaimed mail that has been returned because it was undelivered. So these are unprocessed mystery packages, essentially. We bought in a bigger lot. We're going to open these items, depending on what they are, will be either auctioned off on eBay or on our Whatnot channel. So make sure you follow us and keep an eye out for BUYTBD deals. Do you want to open the first one?
Yeah, I will, sure.
Did you want to say anything before we dive in?
Yes, if you see something you like, let us know so we can let you know when it will be on.
Yeah, if you have any questions, anything you're looking for specifically, feel free to reach out. We want to make sure, of course, I've said it before, but make sure we keep communication lines open between our viewers and all of you, kind of build that community feel. Oh, hold on. The suspense is killing me. What's going to be this first mystery package?
LED mouse pad.
Wow.
Large.
7 colors, non-slip backing.
Yep.
Why don't you show the people? So it is an LED mouse pad, 7 color modes, USB connector, anti-slip grip. So really cool. 13 by 10 inch. That one's cool. Maybe we'll put that on Whatnot.
And it's got the colors right here. You can see the colors.
All your different colors.
Very cool.
Did want to say, in regards to the reaching out, the email to reach us is BUYTBD@gmail.com. So BUYTBD@gmail. So hope you'll reach out if you have anything you're looking for specifically. I've got one to open up here. Ooh, a little variety pack we have in this mystery pack. Little bundle of stuff. This one's fun. How exciting.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. We got jewelry, baby. Rose gold, which means it's from China. Stop. So this is a pretty little ring. You might be able to see. Barely. Couple of rings there, size 9, one's listed as. We've got a water bottle, liquids bottle. Couple of them, it looks like.
Looks like those fit those bike holders.
Oh yeah, biking. Could be for a bike bottle. Nice. And then some date night eyelashes. So if you're needing some false lashes, there you go. We need to fix that lighting. We'll work on that as we get more funds rolling in. We'll be able to reinvest. But that's a cool little collection there. What do you have up next, Rick?
I'm trying to see if... Can't tell where it's from. They did a good job of blacking this one out.
Every one of these that we open is a gamble. Hope you'll hit jackpot.
And...
looks like some lingerie.
Yeah. Does it have an opening? No.
Extra large lingerie. I want to say it's something, a top. Open it.
Yeah. Go ahead so we can see what it is.
Let's show y'all what it is.
It has a resealable container.
New tags. It is a bra.
Fancy bra.
Is that a one piece? Oh no, it's a bra. Hello.
Hi, you can't tell.
Hi. How does this work? It's a nice lacy black bra. Definitely for those intimate nights. Unita is the brand, size extra large. But we'll be sure to get that to y'all, ladies, if you're interested in that, or anyone else who wants to wear that. Okay, my turn?
Yep.
Let's see what we got here. Cut it
Can
open.
you see where it's from by chance? No. They did a good job on some.
Georgia. Somewhere in Georgia. That's all I can make out. dangerous. Okay, we've got some kind of thermosy mug,
Oh,
20-ounce stainless steel double wall tumbler. Very nice. Who doesn't need one of those?
keeps it hot and cold.
Easy clean lid. I have one just like this. It's one of my faves. Very cool. We'll take it.
This one blacked out.
Small package.
Yeah,
Great things can come in small packages.
I think it's from a coin company. It looks like maybe. Oh, no, maybe Drew or
it's a certain brand.
KY Duration.
So I would so this is a male genital desensitizer. So if you have a hard time with your duration, this would be a good product to use, it seems like. Doesn't look like it's been opened, so ready to go. Hit us up. Next.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Got kind of a bigger one here. Just out of curiosity, do we have a location? Can't make it out. Sorry.
Oh. Wrong button. Some of them tear easy. And
these packages are just like it's Christmas. You really, literally never know what you're going to get. And that's the fun part of it. Oh. So this looks to be a lab coat or a white blazer. White sport coat. Let's pull that baby out. That's nice.
Yeah, very nice. With the tag still on it. Oh, yeah.
Nice, simple blazer.
Pockets in the front. Yeah, very cool.
Nice detailing. That's cool. Do we have a size?
Doesn't say on the back of that.
Not easily seeable, but I would definitely say this is a summer weight. Pretty thin material, so perfect. Almost a linen look, but it does feel polyester. But great summer sport coat, blazer jacket. Keep an eye out for that on Whatnot or eBay. Next up.
Yep. They blacked this one out too good too. Can't even see the state it's from.
Very good. We love a mystery. Careful, please. Be very careful.
It's the outside lining. Oh boy.
Looks like a strap.
Yeah. Some type of belt.
Okay, very good. Unbranded belt.
Yep.
Kind of a canvas, 1.5 or 2 inch thick. Simple belt. Very nice. The people will love it. All right, next up we have a box with some blue mystery tape.
Looks like electrical tape or painter's tape almost.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Okay, so this is, ooh, cool. Electroluminescent wire for car interior decorations. Very cool. And looks like it has been opened, but I assume unused. Hopefully you can't hear that phone that didn't get turned on silent before we went on recording.
Might be mine.
It is. But anyway, so that is 9 feet length. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Probably Whatnot, maybe eBay. You never know, so check both.
We keep everybody guessing. But if it's something...
All right, next up, what do we have?
Yeah, can't tell where it's from. Oh, nice lint removal shaver. Very cool.
Lint remover and shaver. Get the pills and napping off of your clothing garments. Very good to have on hand. Mainstays brand, you know where that's from. All right, next up, what do we got? Soft pack. Feels like clothes, I would bet. Pop it open.
You never know.
You never know. Unveiling on camera. Oh,
I think you might have been right.
underwear?
Yep.
Well, it's definitely clothing, but I'm guessing it has the look of men's underwear. But let's open and see. Aha. Okay, so this is women's sports bras.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a set
Yep. It's a set.
of tops and bottom? Okay, cool.
Love, love, love.
If you've got the love, you're gonna love this.
I was looking for a tag.
Let's get a size on this baby.
Doesn't say on this. Oh, I see a tag right here. 2XL.
2XL.
Yep.
If you're 2XL, come on down. This one's for you. Whatnot or eBay. Keep an eye out.
Yep. Very nice.
Athletic set. Tops and bottoms.
Darn, I thought I had one that told where it was from. No such luck. I saw one earlier. I think it's that one. Oh boy. Elf Matte Magic.
Setting spray for Elf Cosmetics, it looks like. I'll take this. Airbrush legs. Tanning water. Sally Hansen airbrush legs. Streak-free colorless tanner mist. Enhances your natural skin tone. Instantly hydrates. Amazing. Actually, that's two cool items if you're into the cosmetics world. I haven't actually seen a sunless tanner in a spray format like this. So clear liquid, that would be cool. And then Matte Magic Mist and Set. I imagine that is a makeup setting spray from Elf. Very cool products.
Yeah, very cool.
All right, next up, I've got one
that looks like it could be a bag of money.
Unknown location here.
Yeah.
All right, so we have another cosmetic lot, it looks like. Shadow and Brow Brush Duo. Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. Very good.
Native deodorant.
You got to tilt it for the lighting, buddy.
Oh, wow. I guess. Oh, there.
Yep. All right, so we have a couple more packages here. You want to go ahead and go next, Ricky?
All righty. And no idea where it's from.
What do we have here?
And it is... Oh.
It's a wallet!
Nice wallet. And
Dang.
it's got nice and... Oh, yeah. Brand new. No.
Is it branded is the question. Right off the
There's
bat.
a tag in here. Let's see what it says. There you go.
Okay, so we don't have a brand. Oh, here we go. Jolene Couture. Very nice.
Ooh, very nice.
And light brown taupe wallet. Multiple openings everywhere. You got compartments for anything you need.
Very cool.
And a snap closure. Keep it all nice and tight. Very good find. So if you like that one, definitely check us out on Whatnot or eBay as usual. Okay, we got next up a soft goods package. I would say maybe clothes, possibly.
That jacket was nice.
And we've got some bottoms. Oh, from Marshalls for $25 and compared to $35. Red pair of cargo shorts. Looks like. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, well, they're 34s. Actually, I'm going to say those are long cargo shorts for men. If it's in a 34. New with tags there. Button flap closure on the back. You got a cargo pocket on the left leg and right leg. Zip and button closure.
Very nice.
Very, very good. 6-pocket cargo shorts. Cotton material, so very perfect for summer.
Very cool.
And next up, what do we have?
This is heavy, and this is from Delaware. Delaware area. Very heavy. I can't
Heavy
imagine.
package.
Very heavy package. And acts like it's whatever it is, it's granule.
Splash. Pet safe.
Oh,
Ice melt.
de-icer. Oh, this is
Pellet de-icer.
that
How
explains
nice.
why it was ordered from Delaware, because they get a lot of snow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, snow and ice.
Very cool. Okay.
Yeah.
And then our last package. Let's see what we got here.
Appropriate.
Okay, and the open package. We've got soft goods. Let's open her up. Can't tell right off the bat what it is, so let's see. All right, so something feminine. Nice blouse, kind of a sheer chiffon material.
Yeah.
Again, perfect for summer. White color.
Tag on the front there.
What brand do we got? Haute Monde, young contemporary, and this is a size small. So black trimmed blouse there, very flouncy, pretty, breathable, perfect for summer.
Very
So
cool.
you never know what you'll get in these mystery packages. Again, these are unclaimed, unopened mail packages that were undeliverable. And we have, for this first round of sourcing, we've gotten them from 4 different sellers. And we are quickly finding out that it's a gamble.
Big
so
time.
just keep that in mind. Anytime you're ordering mystery packages, there's a chance that you could get screwed based off what types of packages they put in your box, or the fact that they aren't actually putting in mystery packages from the mail. They're just stuffing into mail packaging